DX Engineering here at Dayton Hamvention 2026, and if the fact that we're standing here at the waning hours of the first day, and this is the first time we've been able to get into this booth.
It's been crowded.
You've been a very popular attraction.
It has, yeah.
And this is what we had to thank for it?
That's it. It's all about the new Carlson tower lift.
Well, tell us all about it. Tell us how it works.
Well, it's based on the old Hazer. A lot of people know the Glenn Martin Hazer. And if you don't, it's an elevator system that goes up and down a 25G tower, Roan or Ameritech. And the whole goal is so you don't have to keep climbing these towers. So all the equipment, this thing was built around, it's assembled around the tower. Comes in a box, you get a couple pieces, you assemble it. So, and then you load your antenna package, your rotator, your mast bearing, your mast, and whatever antenna, and you raise it and lower it so you don't have to climb it anymore.
Yeah.
You got to climb it once to get the top pulley up. The system is from the pulley to the winch.
Yeah.
And then the other thing that's really unique about this that other Hazers never did, Glenn Martin's or anybody else's sort of garage-made Hazers, and there are some people who do that, is our mid-level guy system. You know, I've had a lot of people come by and they say, well, that's great, but I can't use it. I got mid-level guys. How do you get past the mid-level guys? Which is understandable.
Yeah.
Well, Jim here came up with this system where the guys attached to this mid-level bracket, which you install over the rung, and then when it's time to move it either up or down, bring this stuff down, you pull the mid-level guys back from their ground attachment, bring them up parallel to the thing, hold it down with a brick or something, and then this thing goes up and down. We could demonstrate it if you want.
Please do.
Let's make it work. This is the guy here, and we should say hello to Jim.
Thank you, Rod, for really letting you know about this. But we have one main trick with the product, and that is that as he was mentioning, you're able to have mid-level guys on here, and not have to interfere with your tower lift product. All you have to do when you want to roll the lift to the ground is disconnect the guys in the ground position, roll them in, and then your tower will come all the way down to the ground for your maintenance, changing parts, or whatever you might want to be doing.
So where is the guy as you bring it down?
The guy is actually between the outside of this carriage and the inside of the outside of the tower.
Perfect.
One person can do it, but it's better for two.
Okay, so we bring it up. You can see where it exposes. Exposes this. This is the guide connection. There'd be one here, and one on the other side, typically. They'd reach out, and that would be your mid-level position. Once you disconnect the bottom there, you can let them slide into it, and then you can roll right down on top of it the whole way, and it's out of your hair, and it has its little special place and it's been reserved for it.
Just an ingenious solution to a very common problem.
Yep, and we make it
two common problems. A, I don't want to climb my tower every time I need to inspect or repair or replace. And then, if I've got guy lines and they interfere with the a traditional elevator, there we go. That's
the main problem that's been solved here. Plus a lot of precision engineering and so on. It makes it move nice and smooth. I'm not like so.
Yep, and so now we can go down over top of the spot where it was located.
I'm pulling these ropes to disengage the things that the locks on the rung.
Yep, and provide parking locks for it.
Yep.
It's available at DX. So, that's the deal. This disengages so that you can move it, and then you let go. It's spring-loaded, and then it'll set on the next rung down.
Yeah, okay.
Wherever you want it. So, it's heavy-duty. It's made really, really well. Jim spent a lot of time engineering it to be precise and smooth. Got the top pulley, the double ball bearing. The old Hazers, apparently that we heard a lot of stories of the lift cable kept slipping out and getting caught, and they'd have to go up to the top. So this will never do that. It's really made to keep you off of the tower.
Gotcha. Yeah. So a tower lift that solves a bunch of key problems and really saves you a lot of time and effort.
It does.
So,
And money. You know, if you bring a professional climber out to do this because you don't want to, you'll pay for this after 2 or 3 instead of 2 or 3 climbs.
yeah.
And but you know, you can't tell how many people come by and said, "I used to climb towers. I'm not doing it anymore. My wife won't let me do it anymore." People don't want to climb towers for pretty good reasons. So it's a real. Well, I was going to say lifesaver, but that's a little strong. But it is all about safety, so you don't have to climb it. Safety and ease and lower cost.
And it goes without saying that you can find this and all the other Carlson Roof Towers products right now at dxengineering.com.